Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video, and today I'm going to show you how to create a board on Monday web application. So the first thing that I will need you to do now is to go to Monday web application by going to your browser and type monday.com. After that, you will need to create an account by signing up with your email. Otherwise, you can just log in into your account if you do already have an existing one. And then you will need just to follow these simple steps. And basically, to create a new board, you will need to go to work management and go the workspace that you want to work in. And basically, to add a board, all you need to do is to click on add item to workspace, and here we will be able to create a new board. So we click on new board, and here you give the name of the board that you want to create, and basically let's just have board, name it board creation. And by that, we will go to anything. So you can either choose private, shareable, whatever you want its privacy or relevance to be. And then you will add what are the items that you are using are called. Either you are managing employees, managing project, tasks, client leads, etc. Or you can give them another name, for example, managing, I don't know, shares. And I'm going to create a board, and as you can see, when I'm going to create the board, you will find that the things should be or will have the same name as you give them. So basically you are going to add share 2, and you have a group of chairs, for example. And this is how you can create a board on Monday Web application. Thank you for watching and see you next time.